Today we're going to go over L'Hopital's rule and hopefully make it super simple. So first things first, what is L'Hopital's rule? L'Hopital's rule is a shortcut. So it's a shortcut to solving limits that result in indeterminate form. You're going to take the derivative of the top and bottom. All right, so that's what actually you do. Whenever you take the limit of something, it gives you an indeterminate form, and which means you can't actually solve it. Indeterminate form means it doesn't tell you anything. So when do you use it? Indeterminate form. And what that looks like is if you get something like 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity. Right, so if you get that as an answer for a limit, take the derivative of the top of the fraction and the bottom of the fraction, then take the limit again. But you want to always try to take the limit at first, even if you know you have to use L'Hopital's rule, because sometimes you don't need to use L'Hopital's rule. So let's do a quick example. So we're going to solve the limit as x approaches 0 of sine x over x. So first thing we just want to do is we want to try solving this as normal. So we plug in 0 for x. So we get sine of 0 over 0, which is just 0. 0 over 0, which is indeterminate, right? Because we cannot divide by 0. The answer isn't 0. It's indeterminate. So now that we have determined it is indeterminate, right? We use L'Hopital's rule. So because, oh my goodness. Sorry guys, my pen is a little bit broken. Because indeterminate, use L'Hopital. All right, so what that looks like is we're going to take the derivative of the top of the fraction and the bottom of the fraction, right? So d dx of sine x, that is just cosine x, and d dx of x is just 1. So with L'Hopital's rule, the new form is now cosine x over 1. And when we plug in 0 for x, we get cosine of 0 over 1 is equal to 1 over 1, which is 1. And that is our answer for this problem. So only use L'Hopital's rule if you get an indeterminate form like 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity. Always try solving it normally first before using L'Hopital's.